Today I am going to do a video on hair. This is my hair dried naturally, so not blow dried, just straight, boring, flat. Ugh. So I often add a few waves through it, and it's so simple. You do need to be careful because the wand can get quite hot, but it's an easy style to do, and especially if you've got hair like this and you just want to add some volume or texture through it, super easy. Now before I do show you that, I've got purple pink. It's meant to be violet highlights and kind of like a rosewood tones. So it's just the Di Lorenzo shampoo. So you wash your hair as normal, you leave it in. I left it in for about 10 minutes and this is what you get. I mean, I was quite blonde before, so it's really caught to the blonde. But if you just want a quick line of a bit of fun, something to change it for a short term, it's not permanent, this is a really good one. So to start off, I just section the hair. So I'll probably that for the bottom, leave all of that hanging out and tie that up. So I'm going to use this today. It's the H2D wand. It has 5 different size barrels. There is a larger one, which is great if you have long hair. It will give you beautiful waves. It's probably too thick for my hair. This is a great size, and there's an even smaller one. So if you want tighter curls or tighter wave, that would be a good one. So just grab a section, probably about that thin, and just twirl it around the wand. Hold it there for a few seconds and just let it drop. Sometimes I'll pull it down just to stretch that wave out. Now the next one, I do the curl this way. So I change the direction of it. So I move it in that way and just hold it just a few seconds and then drop. So that, and again, just pull it down. So I do that around the whole head, and I keep alternating the direction of the curl. Yeah, so I'm just going to fast forward that because that's going to be really boring to watch. Now that you're looking like Shirley Tops, what you need to do is just with your hands, run your fingers through your hair and break up all those curls. So don't need a brush, you can brush them, but I just like to use my fingers and break them all up. So you get something like that. And what I like to do, and I think this is probably one of the most important parts of the hairstyle, I spray a texturizing spray, and the one that I use and swear by is the Orbe dry texturizing spray. It smells beautiful, but besides that it works a treat. So I kind of just spray that all the way through and try to get to the root of your hair and underneath and really massage that in. And you can see how it gets because of this texture, but that will settle in no time. And you have that. So it is really easy. Work the spray through it, or any kind of texture. Even that powder, if anyone has that kind of grit powder, pop that through your roots and kind of work it out, and you'll achieve the same thing. But that is my easy hair wave. Just be careful because it does burn, so when you're doing your wands, be extra careful. I burnt myself today again. So that's it. It's really easy, and you can flip it on that side and you can do whatever you like. I like it that side. And if you find at any time while you're doing this, there is kind of like a straight piece of hair or anything like that, while the tong is hot and cooling down, just go over it, do a little curl, and you're good to go. I hope you like it. I hope you found that very easy, because it is. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy your day.